Huawei just dropped a bomb at the Mobile World Congress with the announcement of its foldable device, and it's giving the Galaxy Fold a run for its money. Oh my god, this thing looks amazing. It's got 3 screens, a 6.6-inch screen on the front and a 6.38-inch screen on the back when folded, which are both bigger than the 4.6-inch screen on the Galaxy Fold, and an 8-inch display when unfolded, which is also bigger than the 7.3-inch screen found on the Galaxy Fold. When folded, this thing is 11mm thick, and when unfolded, it's 5mm. That's even thinner than the incredibly thin iPad Pro. The Mate X is powered by the Kirin 980 chipset with a Balong 5000 modem for 5G, coupled with 8GB of RAM and 512GB of onboard storage, which is smaller than the 12GB RAM on the Galaxy Fold. Its 4500 mAh battery is slightly bigger than the 4380 found on the Galaxy Fold, and it also charges significantly faster with a 55-watt charging brick. That should give you about 85% in 30 minutes. The phone has 4 cameras aligned vertically at the back, but the interesting thing is, when you fold it from a tablet into a phone and you want to take a picture of someone, they get to see themselves on that secondary display, which is pretty cool. I'm a bit worried about how easy it will be to carry this thing around, because when folded, it's still huge at 6.6 inch compared to the 4.6 inch on the Galaxy Fold. As for the price tag, the phone will be priced at 2,300 euros. That's roughly $2,600 US. To think the whole world was going crazy for Samsung's $1,980 US for the Galaxy Fold. That's almost $700 more expensive than the Fold. Come on Huawei, that's ridiculous. But it's a first gen product and the production cost is pretty high. As more and more companies adopt this tech, the production cost will drop, and hopefully it will make foldable phones more affordable in the future. I can't wait to see how much Xiaomi will price its foldable phone, considering they're the kings of low-priced smartphones. I can't help but imagine, if Huawei's foldable device is $2,600, just imagine how much an Apple foldable device would cost you.
It's funny because it's true.
Definitely let me know what you think of this device in the comment section below, and tell me which foldable device do you prefer, the Huawei Mate X or the Samsung Galaxy Fold. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more awesome tech updates like this. Thanks for watching guys, stay tuned for more MWC awesomeness.